Hello everyone, my name is Jin Chai and I'm a senior lecturer at School of Life Science and Chemical Technology, Ngân Polytechnic. Recirculating aquaculture system, RAS, is a popular way for intensive inland and indoor tank-based fish production. One common problem of RAS is the accumulation of nitrogenous waste, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate, which are resulted from the high protein containing feed and the discharge from the fish. This is why bell filters are used to convert ammonia to nitrite and finally nitrate, which is believed less toxic. However, too much nitrate in the culturing system will cause slow growth rate of fish and skeletal deformities. Water replacement is a common practice in RAS to dilute nitrate, but it incurs huge freshwater consumption per day. Some companies they use denaturifying bacteria to convert nitrate to nitrogen gas. This is a green solution, but it is too luxurious for small and medium RAS due to high cost and large footprint. In one of the companies that we visited before, they are using a very simple biological system to denitrify 15% of the culturing water. It is not efficient because of the limited control. So, is there any affordable solution to help the fish farmers? The answer is yes. Our studies show that the denitrification can be much more efficient and much faster if the dissolved oxygen in the bioreactor is below 1 ppm. Based on this observation, we developed this membrane-assisted bioreactor system. This system includes two main components: membrane element that control the dissolved oxygen and a bioreactor to degrade the nitrate. We have conducted long trials for this technology, and now we have developed the second generation of bioreactor, as you can see here. It can achieve 100% nitrate removal efficiency, and the water quality after denitrification is very good. We also conducted set trials in a local fish farm, and the efficiency is confirmed. The membrane-assisted denitrification is a patented technology. It is an affordable solution, and it offers efficient and reliable nitrate control in RAS. If you want to know more about our technology, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm from Ngân Poly. I use technology to look at how we can deal with the mosquito populations in Singapore. So mosquito can carry diseases, right? And it can carry the dengue virus. Anyone who has been infected with the virus can tell you the ordeal is horrible, and there's a good chance that you can die from the dengue infection. You may develop a fever, and you may suffer from internal bleeding. The fever mosquito are the one that bites. The male doesn't bite. So in Singapore, we use Wolbachia-treated male mosquito to mate with the female. The eggs are laid, but they will never hatch. So as a result, we can destroy their life cycle. This means that the population of the mosquitoes around your community will crash. But the issue we see over here is that it's not delivered to our community fast enough. So with the use of the drone, we can reduce the population, we can reduce the reliance on manpower, we can reduce the time taken to deliver all these mosquitoes to anywhere you want to. Now, in order for the drones to deliver the mosquitoes to any communities you can think about, you need to first put them in a compact unit, keep them cold, and then fly them out really fast. Now, to do this, you need a drone. At the same time, you also need a climate control device. So what I have over here is a device known as the Mozzie Airlifter. Right? It's able to store the mosquito, keep them cold, keep them alive, fly out together with the drone, and then have the mosquito released at the press of a button, or even done automatically. You can deploy them in gated communities, condos, landed estates, and in fact, any spaces you can imagine to achieve a long-term solution to the mosquito problems. So if you're thinking of doing a collaboration or to find out a bit more about the Mozzie Airlifter, do feel free to contact our technology office or TDO. We'll get in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. Zhou Xindin from School of Life Sciences and Chemical Technology, Ngân Polytechnic. Today, I'm happy to introduce you our new technology to produce D-arose. D-arose is a red sugar that exists in extremely small quantities in nature. It has 70% of the sweetness of table sugar, offers similar taste and the texture of table sugar, but with only 10% calorie. So unlike other sugars, D-arose has no impact on blood glucose or insulin levels. Therefore, D-arose is regarded as a high potential sugar substitute. Although there are promising applications in the food and the pharmaceutical industries, it's difficult to produce it at a larger scale. So currently, D-arose is produced from raw material like D-fructose using enzyme. So one of the bottlenecks in the production of D-arose lies in the separation of D-arose from the raw materials D-fructose. These two sugars share similar physical and chemical properties. That's why it's hard to separating those two sugars using current technologies, for example, column chromatography. So those current technologies are very expensive. It's hard to apply in the industrial scale. So the issue for separation of these two sugar epimers has to be solved. Here, we developed a novel patented biological process to bypass D-fructose and D-arose separation. A probiotic bacterial fermentation is used to convert all unconverted D-fructose to lactic acid and keeps all the D-arose unchanged. So besides the D-arose, from the one process, we also can get two valuable side products, lactic acid and probiotics. This new process, we believe, would benefit the current manufacturers for the D-arose and other red sugars production. If you want to learn more, please contact our Tech Development and Innovation Office in Nanyang Polytechnic. Thank you very much.